Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
Hide, hide, hide-de-da-de-di. Hide, hide, hide-de-da-de-di. In a cozy little house where the sunbeams play, 5 ducks quacked merrily throughout the day. With feathers bright as gold and hearts so light, they waddled and they danced, bringing pure delight. The first was named Quack, full of zest and cheer. He'd flap his wings wide, spreading laughter near. He'd chase the shadows that flickered on the floor, and with each playful quack, love would soar evermore. Then came sweet Dilly with her gentle grace. She'd preen by the window and watch time's embrace. Her eyes held reflections of dreams yet untold. In her quiet wisdom lay treasures of gold. Next was a dreamer named Waddles McGee. He'd ponder the skies while perched high on a spree. With thoughts like soft ripples on a tranquil pond's face, he longed for adventures beyond the small space. Now Puddle was sassy, oh how she would boast. She claimed to be queen of their feathery host. With head held up high and an air so grand, she ruled over chaos with her confident stand. Lastly there's Squeaky, who always could find a reason to giggle or something unkind. But beneath all the chuckle hid kindness profound, for laughter is sweetest when shared all around. Together they thrived in their warm little nest, through seasons of joy or when life felt a test. In moments of stillness where whispers are bound, they learned that true love is what keeps us all bound. So here in this house where 5 ducks do reside, their stories entwined like an unbreakable tide. Each quack tells a tale that forever will last, a friendship and warmth in their hearts ever cast. In a rocket bright, 5 ducks took flight, zooming through stars, oh what a sight. Quacktastic journey, 1 duck did cheer. Let's learn about planets, come on my dear. First up was Mercury, speedy and small. Zip, zap, zoom, it said, I'm the fastest of all. With a wink and a wiggle, it raced round the sun. The ducks quacked together, this is so fun! Next came Venus with clouds soft and round. It's super hot here, you'll melt to the ground. 1 duck flapped wings and said with a grin, I'd rather be cool than melting within. Then Mars waved hello with its rusty red hue. Hey there, I've got canyons for you to view. A brave little duck hopped down for some play. I'll dig up some rocks, they're treasures today. Jupiter roared loud with its giant storm eye. Whoosh, I'm so big that I reach for the sky. A giant gas ball quacked one in delight. It's like bouncing around on an airy kite. Saturn spun rings that shimmered and glowed. Look at my bling, it's quite the show code. 1 duck twirled round in a ring made of light. I could dance here forever, this feels just right. Uranus grinned wide while spinning on its side. It's chill up here, where all secrets abide. With laughter they floated through chilly blue space. Chillin' like ducks is our favorite place. Neptune was next with oceans so deep. The waves are just wild, come take a leap. 1 brave little duck jumped into the blue. Cannonball splash, just look at me too. Then Pluto peeked out from his icy domain. A dwarf planet now, oh well I won't complain. The ducks quack together under starlit skies. We love every planet, we're learning so wise. Back in their rocket after such grand fun, they shared all their tales as they flew neath the sun. From Mercury's speed to Neptune's deep sea, 5 ducks filled with joy, they learned happily. So if ever you see stars shining at night, remember those ducks who took off in their flight. Learning is awesome when friends share the way, so go explore your world, it's waiting today. In a cozy little cottage where nectarines
team.
clear.
Efficient
5
coverage is
ducks
key.
donned their
You
aprons
two
with
take the
nary a
flames, I'll
fear.
handle the
With
deep
feathers
things in the
all
center.
fluffed and
Let's make
eyes
this
shining
sparkle.
bright, they quacked of adventures that filled the day's life. The first duck named Daisy took charge of the broom. She swept through the hallway, dispelling all gloom. With each graceful stroke she danced on the floor, singing sweet tunes that made hearts want more. Next came dear Donald with soap and a pail. He scrubbed at the windows while telling a tale of sunlit reflections and skies painted blue. Each bubble that popped brought forth laughter anew. Then Penelope waddled with sponges galore, diving into corners no one could ignore. Her spirit was playful as she wrung out the cloths. Together she quacked, we'll banish all sloths. Gus was the thinker, he pondered aloud. How do we make this mess dance in a crowd? With rhythm and purpose his mind set aflame. He turned cleaning chores into fun-filled games. Last was young Clara, so sprightly and small. She giggled at dust bunnies hiding by walls. With giggles contagious that warmed every heart, she gathered them up like fine works of art. As they worked side by side in harmony's flow, their friendship grew stronger. Together they'd glow. In every look cleaned and every chore done, they found joy in sharing this life full of fun.
We're getting them
So,
all out.
if ever you wander past homes that shine bright, remember 5 ducks who brought spark to their plight. In laughter and teamwork they taught us to see.
It's absolutely spotless.
That love fills our spaces like bubbles from tea.
Nursery cartoon love.